Sa huling kwento ko, pinapahula ko sa inyo kung nakaabot ba ang brother, mom, and sis-in-law ko sa pagsakay sa Aqua Luna Cruise. At this moment, kabadong-kabado ako kasi iniisip ko kung paano ako tatawid papunta sa bangka with my bag at slippers na madaling matanggal. Buti na lang, all of them were so helpful, gentleman, at hindi talaga manyak, kaya naman nakatawid ako ng maayos. Nakikita nyo ba yung number 1? Yun lang ang only proof na nasa pier number 1 ka na. Kaya naman kung first time mo sa Hong Kong, kung ang expectation mo ay pier, medyo mahihirapan ka talagang makita ang location nila. Ito ang harapan ng bangka. Nasa second floor kami, and yes, kami lang ang tao dito. We were given strictly 5 minutes to wait for my mom, brother, and sis-in-law. And exactly 5 minutes after, nagsorry naman ang staff at nagsabing kailangan nang umalis at kung gusto nilang mag-reschedule, meron ng penalty. Nung nag-decide na silang umalis at alam na naming maiiwan na sila, we were trying to contact them pero wala nang signal. As you can see, nasistress na yung bunso kasi hindi nakasama ang grandma niya. Pinili talaga naming magkapatid ang schedule na ito dahil nga sa mas maganda magpicture pag sunset. Medyo maalog din sa bangka pero hindi naman nakakatakot at ang simoy ng hangin napakabango at nakaka-relax talaga. We really took time to take photos knowing na kami lang rito and feel talaga namin na para bang sa amin lang ang cruise na ito. God knows how many times we tried to call my brother and mom. We don't have a Hong Kong SIM. We don't have an internet connection. That's why we can't contact them at all. So we just enjoyed our cruise and we're very grateful to my mom for paying for it. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap mag-enjoy knowing na naiwan yung nagbayad. At the same time, nasistress talaga ako na dapat magkakasama kami pero wala sila. But I guess this is also a perfect time for us to bond as a family and also be sweet with each other kasi medyo jam-packed talaga yung mga araw namin dito sa Hong Kong. Before I forget, kasama sa aming binayaran ang free drinks per person. Pero matamis. Hanggat maaari, wag na lang kayo mag-iinom dahil as per my mom and sis-in-law, madumi ang CR nila. Dahil nga sa marami akong oras para makapagnilay-nilay at maging kalma, nakapag-pray ako and I just love God's word for me that day, which is actually a day before my birthday. I can see what's happening. I can hear your cries. Just be still and trust me. I have great plans for you. You don't have to fight back. You just have to trust me and do what is right. What a perfect gift At no araw na yon, I just had peace. I know God is with us the whole time. This is me pointing out the K11 Mall and I was just so excited to see it. Ang ganda talaga niya kahit sa malayo. May 1 hour din nagtagal ang cruise and as soon as bumaba, tumawag agad ako sa mom ko. Thank God at nasagot niya and she decided to immediately run to the cruise at napasakay siya. Yun nga lang may penalty. Pero at least nakahabol at nag-enjoy rin sila. Of course, iba na rin ang view nila and at the same time, medyo maraming tao silang kasama. Pero masaya ako kasi nakita ko naman silang nakangiti. After going to K11 Mall, nag-abang na lang kami sa kanila hanggang sa makabalik. Bittersweet ang naging experience namin, but I give God all the glory for giving us favor and at least we had an opportunity to be with each other. Ready na ba kayo sa day 4? Samahan niyo ako ulit. Like, share, and follow for more. God bless you. Connect with me on Facebook, DM me on Instagram, or learn more about me on my blog, misinformation.blog. See ya!